Hello everyone, this is Ms. Martinez and in this video we are going to learn about study techniques. We are going to learn how to read the text carefully, underline keywords, underline important information, and make a diagram. Okay, let's get started. We are going to read this text about landscapes and we are going to underline the keywords and the important information. Landscapes. Landscapes can have natural features like mountains and man-made features like roads. They can be inland or coastal. They are made up of landforms. What is the important, the keywords in this first paragraph? I'm going to underline landscapes, natural features, man-made features, and they can be inland or coastal. And they are made up of landforms. Inland landscapes. Inland landscapes can have high areas and low areas. High areas and low areas of land. I'm going to underline inland landscapes and high and low areas. In high areas, we can find these landforms. Mountains. These are large rocky areas of land. The top of the mountain is called the summit. Its sides are called slopes, and the bottom of the mountain is called the foot. Hills. These are areas of land are lower than mountains. A mountain range. This is a group of mountains that are close together. So what are the keywords here? We have high areas and we have three types of high areas. Mountains, hills, and mountain range. Now in low areas we can find these types of landforms. We have valleys, these are areas between mountains and hills. Plains, these are flat areas of land. And plateaus, this is a plain but higher than the land around it. So we are going to underline the three types of low areas. Valleys, plains, and plateaus. So these are the keywords of this text. Now we are going to underline important information. We are going to underline the definitions of the different landforms. Mountains. Mountains are large rocky areas of land. The top of the mountain is called the summit. The top of the mountain is called the summit. The sides are called the slopes. And the bottom of the mountain is the foot. So I'm going to underline also the three parts of the mountain. The three parts of the mountain. Okay, hills. The definition of hills are areas of land that are lower than mountains. Mountain range. This is a group of mountains that are close together. Low areas, we can find these landforms. Valleys. What are valleys? Areas between mountains and hills. Plains. Flat areas of land. And plateau is a plain but higher than the land around it. So this is our text. We underline the keywords and we underline important information. Now we have to make a diagram. Well, this could be an example of landscapes. In this text, we learn about landscapes, and there are two types of landscapes, inland landscapes and coastal landscapes. But this text is about inland landscapes. And in inland landscapes, we can find two different types of landscapes, high areas and low areas. High areas and low areas. In high areas, we can find three different types of high areas, mountains, hills, and mountain range. And in low areas, we have valleys, plains, and plateaux. And then we can write the definition of the different landforms. Mountains, they are large rocky area of land. Hills, areas of land lower than mountains. Mountain range, a group of mountains that are close together. And low areas, valleys, areas between mountains and hills. Plains, flat areas of land. And plateaus, a plain that is higher than the land around it. So this would be the diagram. I hope you like it. Have a good day. Bye.